So once again, guys, welcome, and I would like to do a quickly market review on EURUSD, also uh, GBPNZD and uh, GBPJPY. All right, because these are some of the pair that I'm going to be looking for trading opportunity to actually take some trade this week. All right, so I don't want the video to be too long. I'm just going to be showing you what I'm expecting price to do, and if price happens to do that around these levels, I'm going to be taking this trade and I'm going to be sharing them with you. All right, so guys, we've seen high price on GBPJPY. So far so good. On our last weekly market review, we actually reviewed this GBPJPY, and I told you guys I'm expecting buy, that I saw how market was creating a downward movement and we broke structure at this level, and I was actually expecting price to pull back to this level, then cash the trade. But when markets open, price just moved and did not pull back to this level, so I was not able to take that trade. All right, so now notice what has happened in the market. I told you guys something that whenever we have a break of structure, which is a major structure, all right, and for this video, this is the major structure I'm talking about. All right, because if I have to zoom in, we are going to see how price has created a series of higher high and lower highs. All right, higher lows, I mean. So if you want to look at that, I'm not going to be putting that. Let me just take something that I can actually mark that place with, so we're going to be fast. So we have this low and we have a high, and we saw how price came back to created this low, and now what can we see? We have price create another high for us, all right, which is this very high. All right, so you can see clearly how price has moved. All right, now notice whenever we have a break of structure, okay, and price created a certain high, we start to see some form of pullback, and that is what I'm trying to going to be taking trade on this pair. All right, now I want to see a shift of market structure at this level within tomorrow or even next tomorrow. All right, if I do not see any shift of market structure, I'm not going to be taking this trade. All right, and I'm going to wait until the bullish movement exhausts itself and we have a change of market structure, and I'm going to take some set trade to trade the pullback. All right, so if price happens to break maybe this low, all right, and we have a shift of market structure and I saw this happen, I'm going to be taking this set trade targeting this level, because if we have to take our Fibonacci through and we measure from that high to this low that created a high, all right, this is the 50% zone, and I expect price to actually trade below this 50%, even maybe to this very breaker block that we have around this level. All right, so this is what I'm actually expecting. If we can see a change of character, I'm going to be taking a set trade, expecting price to trade all the way back to this level, then we can continue the whole trend, all trade up to this level. Then around this level, if you see a change of character, I'm only going to continue the trend and trade it until price come back to this level, because that is where price is going. All right, the overall trade price is coming to this level, so I want to see how price is going to react from tomorrow or next tomorrow, or maybe probably next week. All right, because tomorrow is Thursday, Friday, so maybe price may create a change of character within on Thursday and Friday, and next week price will start selling, all right, before we can continue this trend. So this is for GBPJPY. Now for Euro USD, I told you guys before now that I want to see all these lows be taken out, all these lows here, all right, and we have not taken them out yet. So I want to see price take out all these lows. So I'm still going to be expecting some sort of sell on Euro USD. So let me just quickly show you guys what I am expecting on Euro USD. All right, so this is what I'm actually expecting price to do. I want to see price take out all these lows, sell below to this level. Then if we see a change of character around this fair value gap that we have here, I'm going to be taking a buy trade from this level. All right, because by then we are going to be having a very complete pullback, whereby we have a high that created a low, created another high, then we have a low again, and we're going to be targeting price to continue to trade upward. All right, so this is what I'm already expecting on Euro USD. All right, so as you guys know, I've already marked these zones. This is it. This is what I'm expecting. All right, all these lows to be taken out and price trade to this level. So I'm actually going to be expecting some sort of sell from this level to give us a new lower high and create another lower low, break structure, and have a shift of market structure around this level. I don't want this video to be too long, so that is why I'm actually rushing. All right, because this is what I'm expecting to happen around this level. All right, and when price come back to create another lower low, we can expect a break or a shift of market structure to give us a higher high. All right, so this is what I'm actually going to be expecting. If I see this kind of formation around this level, then I will wait for the pullback, and if price creates any sort of liquidity like price normally do most of the time, and came back to tell you, so I'm going to take a buy trade on this level. So this is for Euro USD. This is what I'm actually expecting to happen within this zone. If this do not happen, I'm not going to be taking trade on this pair, but I'm just going to keep waiting to see until I have what I'm looking for. All right, trading is all about patience. If you really want to have good possible entries, you will need to be patient to wait for your setup. Now for GBPNZD, you guys saw that we hit TP on this buy trade. So let me open the chart that we'll be using before now. All right, so you guys can see, let me go to the lower time frame and show you guys what I'm expecting. So this is what I'm actually expecting on GBPNZD. All right, this is the low that created that high. So if price happens to trade and break below this low, I will assume we have a shift of market structure within the internal structure. If price happens to trade back to this level of liquidity, and I see that, I'm going to be taking a sell trade to target this level. So this is for GBPNZD. So guys, these are the trades that I'm actually going to be looking forward to trading this week or next week, whenever the setup shows up in the market. So I've already painted my expectation, and if price happens to move or play out as I expected, I'm definitely going to be taking those trades, and I'm going to be sharing them in the Telegram channel. So if you're watching this video and you are not in my Telegram channel, you're going to be missing out of this trade if this trade happens to play out as I am expecting them to play out. So you don't want to miss out this trade. Quickly click and join my Telegram channel. The link is in my bio here on TikTok. Also, you can visit my YouTube channel. This is it, Pips Come FS Lifestyle TV. Now, in my YouTube channel, you're going to be having amazing video that's going to help you become a profitable trader. Like this market structure, if you're a beginner, this is a video I recommend you come here and watch and learn how to mark market structure properly. And if you're looking for a strategy to actually make money with, all right, this change of market structure entry strategy is one of the strategy that I'm always using that has been making me profit over this challenge. So if you watch that video, you're going to be able to learn how I was able to take 6 trades this last week. All right, and I hit take profit in 5 trades, and I'm still holding the last trade, which is floating in profit. So if you want to cash those kind of sniper entry, watch this video, or even watch how to get a sniper entry in forex trading 2025. So these are some of the videos that I've created to help you become a more profitable forex trader. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio, and you will not regret subscribing to my YouTube channel. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful night rest.